Hello there YouTube and welcome to this tutorial video, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a first-person shooter video. So I've made about 3 of these in the past. I think one of them was better than all the others. I kind of like the World War II first-person shooter. That was pretty cool, I think. It got a lot of views actually, so I might make another one of those. Comment below if you want to see that. So, I'm teaching you how to do it, so I'll show you the equipment you might need to do it. So what I use a GoPro. This is a GoPro Hero Session 5, I think. Hero 5 Session. So this is really good quality. And you're gonna need one of these. It comes with the GoPro stuff. If you have a head strap. If you don't have a head strap, buy one and it'll come with this. Anyway, so now we got a head strap. Just put it on your head. And the most important thing you need, well, the camera's pretty important, but you know, the most important thing is some sort of gun. So I'm using a Nerf gun. Yeah, it's a pretty good Nerf gun. Alright, so let's get this tutorial started. Well, first, I'm going to set up the GoPro. I'll have that pretty soon. Right, so now that we got the GoPro all set up, the angle matters still. You see, my head is just going to be straight on like that. So we want the GoPro angle to be probably just like that. So let's test it. Right, so my hair. Oh my goodness. Anyway, okay. So, goodness, stupid camera, don't fall down. It's okay. So it's gonna be like that, and then my GoPro's gonna be pointing right at it. It's gonna be pretty good. So, yeah. So that's probably the angle you want. I'm gonna kill this camera. Seriously. Okay, anyway, there we go with the GoPro. There's no adjustments you have to make with this. Well, yeah, that's basically it. I think this is one of the best angles that you can get because it's the closest to your eyes, and your eyes see stuff and stuff. Oh my god, my hair's terrible today. Anyway, I hope this helped. I'll show you some example footage of me just playing around. So, here we go.